everyone, and welcome to week 6. This week we are going to tackle PowerPoint Chapter 5. I will be lecturing on Independent Project 5-5. Skills covered in this project are create an animation sequence, use the animation painter, animate chart element, create a hyperlink, create an action button, insert a video, format a video object, optimize and compress media. Be sure to download the resource files needed for this project from the resource link, and make sure to extract those files after downloading the resources zipped folder. I will tell you that this week we actually have videos, so when you save those videos, make sure that you put them in your videos folder and not your pictures folder. We do have one image, but the other two are videos. And by the way, these are the same videos, just saved two different ways. And you will need to figure out which one you're going to need for your presentation. Go ahead and download the start file, Teen Smoking-05. The file will be named automatically to include your name. Change the project name. Don't change the project name, and just go ahead and save that. Display slide 2. Select the text box with 90% and apply the grow and turn entrance effect. Change start to after previous. Next, select the shape number 13 and apply the zoom entrance effect. Change start to after previous. Change duration to 1 second and delay to 0.75. Use the animation painter to apply this animation to call out with the number 12. Change delay to 0.25. Use the animation painter to apply this animation to the remaining callouts, continuing in a clockwise order. So we're going to go this way. To leave on your animation painter, double click and then apply the animation to the other callouts. Don't forget, it's important to go clockwise. To turn off the animation painter, click it one time. Test the animation in slideshow view. Let's check this out. And then when it's done running its course, go ahead and press your escape key to exit. Create an animated sequence including a chart. Display slide 4, and by the way, this is incorrect. Slide 4, as you can see, has the picture, and we want to go to slide 3. Select the pie chart and apply the wheel entrance effect. Change the effect options by category. Change start to after previous. Change duration to 1.5. Select the text box on the left. Apply the grow and turn entrance effect. Change start setting to after previous. Select the text box on the bottom right. Apply the grow and turn entrance effect. Change start to after previous. Change delay to 1 second. Test the slideshow in slideshow view. When it's done, click the escape key. Apply 2 animation effects that display together. Display slide 5 and select the cool shape and click the add animation button. Apply the fade entrance effect. Change start to after previous. Change duration to 3 seconds. Click the Add Animation button again and apply the bounce entrance effects. Change start to with previous. Change duration to 3 seconds. So both effects last the same amount of time. Display slide 9. Insert the video smoking-05. The video is 48 seconds long and its size is very small. Let's increase the size of the video, the height to 4 inches, and then the width will automatically adjust. The video quality is not high enough to display well at a larger size without too much distortion. Move the video to the center of the slide. Click the poster frame button located in Video Tools, Format tab in the Adjust group, and select Image from File. And we want to find the lungs-05 image. Apply the beveled frame gradient video style. Then select Rewind after playing. Test the video in slideshow view. And when it's
Research
done,
throughout the last few decades has
Escape.
demonstrated significant health risks associated with cigarette smoking.
Prepare a menu slide with hyperlinked shapes. Insert a new slide with the blanks layout after slide 9. And draw a rectangle, a rounded rectangle, and type "Early smoking is dangerous." Increase the font size to 28 and apply bold. Apply the intense effect black dark 1 shape style. Resize the shape to fit the text. Move the shape so it is below the horizontal blue line. And press Ctrl D to duplicate the shape and align the second shape below the first one. Edit the text to smoking related diseases. Select the first shape and hyperlink it to slide 2. Place in this document slide 2, when did they start? Select the second shape and hyperlink it to slide 6. Place in this document slide 6. Be careful when you're hyperlinking to make sure that you've have the entire object and not just a word in that object. Next, create action buttons on the slide master to provide navigation. Select the first slide master layout. Select the forward or next action button and draw this shape on the slide. Make it link to the next slide and resize it to be 0.4, 0.4 for height and width. Repeat this step to draw the back or previous action button and link it to the previous slide. Change the height and the width both to 0.4. Lastly, repeat this again, and this time choose Home Action button and link it to the first slide. Select the three shapes and apply the Intense Effect Aqua Accent 4. Position the three shapes at the bottom of the single slide near the cigarette. Display slide 11. Close the master view before you do that. Now display slide 11 and select the rounded rectangle shape and apply the shrink and turn exit effect to reveal the CMP logo. Change start to after previous. Change delay to 4 seconds. And preview this change. And again, when this is done, go ahead and click on your ESC escape key. Now let's go to the backstage view and compress and optimize our media. When this is done, press close. And save and upload your presentation. So don't forget to finish the rest of the chapter. Finish your reading, the Improve It 5-7, and take your Chapter 5 exam. If you have any questions about this week's homework, be sure to use the Ask Dr. Barnes a question in Blackboard, and good luck.